aiming at like the top area.
But I need bullets.
Because if you shoot in the middle, the whole thing will. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I need
Aim
bullets.
towards the top.
I need bullets.
Hold on.
3. 4.
At least 5. Stand where you can be in the camera. Watch. I can't see you. Move over here more. More.
Okay.
Okay, now. Is it? Did you? Okay. This is.
Missed.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta aim better.
I know.
Take more time aiming. Remember you put the
What?
sight on the thing?
Yeah.
It's kind of a small target, so it's gonna be hard to hit. You'll probably have to get closer
Okay.
to hit it. To hit it better. So I get like this close with that. Can you see me in the camera?
I just need to lift it up.
Did it?
Oh,
See
cool.
that? Did it see it?
Mm-hmm.
But aim towards the top. But you missed. Did you forget how to aim?
I am. Aiming.
Take your time to aim, maybe learn that font.
That pole is very much the way it
Darn it.
Yeah?
I was aiming right at it.
Go ahead. Are you close enough?
Not really. Shot through it.
What?
Shot through it.
Oh, I see that now. Hold on. I've never seen it do that. Yours didn't blow up.
Oh, God.
Wow, that's a good shot.
I
What?
can't believe I shot through it.
Yeah, I thought it would break and blow up like mine did.
Oh, whoa.
It's weird. Huh. Good shot, Seth.